Hi folks, here we have the Ghost Drift X. We was lucky enough to review these cameras over the weekend. What a great little camera. There's a bit spectacle on the life of the battery. Because the other cameras we use, battery life is shocking. And it is a big branded company. This little camera is bang on, to be honest. I put a 64 gig memory card in. It lasted, well, the battery life lasted as long as the card, so which was a good 4 hours. I've still got life left in it. We set it up on the app, Drift Life app. Set it up as a one button record, which if you press this button, now as you see the status is red, that means it's recording. And we got it set at 1080, 30 frames per second, and we also have a mic inside the helmet linked from the camera through a mini USB, which picks up all the sound. Great camera, great looks, nice and sleek. And just to stop the recording, that's all you have to do. Job's a good one. Look out for the Lake Vernwy tour coming soon, where the whole tour is recorded with the Drift Ghost X. And here are a few clips of what's to come. Hey!
Oh, look at that for the road. Yeah. Whoa.